On the seventh day of Christmas, I give my iPad tip, selecting text from a photo.
In today's tip, we'll look at how you can take a photo of any kind of text and then copy and paste parts of that text into any other kind of document. One of the great tools of using the iPad's camera is the ability to be able to take a photograph of any kind of text and for the iPad to convert it into text in one of the apps that you're using, like Notes. So I want to give you an example of this. If we go over and take a photograph, so I'm going to choose the camera app, and here is some text. So I'm going to take a photograph of this text. Now let's go into the photograph. And now what I can do, if I keep my finger on some of this text, I can select the text that I want to, and say, for example, that paragraph there, straight to there. I can then copy it, select it, translate it, speak it, or I can share it. If I was to copy it, for example, I can take the copy, then let's go back to a note, and then I can paste that into here. So it's going to take a lot of the text from the document that you've taken a photograph of and put it in. You may have to change the formatting to suit what you want, but it will take that text for you. In addition to that, what it can also do is it can recognize handwriting. So as we've seen with the previous video in using Scribble, it will actually recognize handwriting as well. The handwriting does have to be legible, so let's try that. So we're going to go back to the camera. I'm going to take a picture of this text here. Let's click on the picture. Now we can choose some of this text. Let's choose that text. Let's copy that. Let's go to Notes and let's paste that in. So there you can see it converts it straight into text. It's not perfect, but it does allow you to use the handwriting recognition on the iPad in some instances where that may work with some students in your class. You can also go into your photos library and find photos that you've taken in the past. So let's go into my photo library now, and here's a photo that I took. You can tap on the little button in the corner here. That's going to find all the text within there, and then what I can do is I can just tap on it, and then I can get the menu and do all of those items on there. So I could speak it if I want to, copy it in the same way. Let's speak.
Surface disinfectant wipes.
So that's how you can take text out of any photograph that you take. Have you ever taken a photo and there's some distracting things going on in the background? Well, in tomorrow's tip, I'm going to show you how you can remove the background of any image that's taken with your iPad.